What's the meaning of colonization? Colonization. Colonization.
Colonization. Colonization. Colonization refers to the process of one country or society taking control over another territory or group of people to exploit their resources, labor, and land. This often involves the displacement, exploitation, and subjugation of the colonized people for the benefit of the colonizer. The result of colonization can include the forced imposition of cultural, economic, and political systems, the destruction of traditional societies, and the loss of autonomy by the colonized people. It can also lead to ongoing tensions, conflicts, and inequality between the colonized and the colonizers that may persist long after the colonial era has ended.